Jõudsime eile õhtul peale 11-tunnist lendu Los Angelesse. Võtsime omale Wrangleri ja õhtuks hotellitoa Hollywoodis. Ja nüüd lähme otsime kuskil süüa.
Ja liigume Chinatowni suunas. Mõnusat traffikut. Toredad autod.
Meil on siukene Jeep. Nüüd oleks ikka mägedes ja mujal ringi lasta. Nüüd me oleme selles Chinatownis tund aega liiga vara ja kõik kohvikud on kinni veel. Uni läks lihtsalt hommikul ära.
Ja keegi kontrolli alati fakte ka.
Siin on tänavatel päris palju kodutuid, lihtsalt kämbivad telgiga tänaval ja elavadki niimoodi. Sest raha ei ole, alkoholism, narkootikumid.
That's also where we have the Big Bang Theory set. And then after that, you guys are gonna jump on another shuttle and make your way over to the Friends Mountain. You're not gonna put actors inside there, and you're not gonna be filming on the inside of any of these whatsoever. This is George Clooney's apartment complex on ER. ER took place actually in the city of Chicago, meaning this entire street here would have been Chicago. Now it doesn't have to just be Chicago. There'll be other cities as well. The buildings that you see right over here, these are great examples of facades. These are still part of Abbott Elementary. This looks like a cool liquor store. This looks like an amazing place to raise your family right here, right? Nice little apartment complex. And something that might catch your attention as soon as you walk in here, if you guys looking up, you're going to notice that there is actually no ceiling in here. About 90% of the time in practical sets, we do not get ceilings. Up here is where they hang the lights. It's going to be also where they put microphones. It was really cool. I'll see how everything was all set up. It's also really great. It's just their first aesthetics. In the same way you associate a castle for Disney, we have the water tower up there. House was actually filming there last season. Yeah. When Full House was done, that's when Friends moved into the soundstage.
Hollywoodi kuulsuste allee ehk Walk of Fame. Siin on neid tähti siis igal sammul. Tegelikult on neid siin 2700 ja kui oled piisavalt kuulus ja tahad ise maksta või keegi maksab sinu eest $75 000, siis see täht siia paigaldatakse. Tegelikult võib siin päris pikalt kõndida ka nii, et ei tunne, ei tea neid inimesi, aga meie jaoks oli siin ka ikkagi päris palju kuulsusi. Ja näiteks peaks siin kuskil olema Donald Trump, kes on väidetavalt ka mingit saadet juhtinud kunagi. Leidsime oranži mehe ka üles, kus kõik möödakäijad saavad tema peal trampida, aga tegelikult oleme tuttavaid leidnud küll.